What's going on, YouTube? Alright, well, I got her home, got me a full bottle of argon. Yeah, let me show you the setting. It's on B in about 3.5. And that's what it kind of looks like. At least it's not burning through. Yeah. I'm doing focus there. But I don't know, I gotta figure out why it's making them high spots, either I'm not going in a circle too good or what. But yeah, I love it. That's a whole lot better than that damn flux wire. So, let me turn that radio down. But, yep. And I got that other little spot to do. Got another one right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, right there. But get that done and start back on that part. Start welding it all up. And also want to do a couple of shout outs. One of them's going to be a page to turn 1. It's going to be Ashley, and she's needing some keys to do a little project, so I'm interested to see what it is. But anyway, Ashley, what I was going to show you is that's about a little bit over 200 keys right there. Let's see, I was telling you some of them got the black rubber still on them, like so. Master lock keys, old toolbox keys, yep, just all kinds. So yeah, so I'm going to get them in the mail to you. And also the other guy was, got me a little cheat sheet here, so Shane Brown Lee 69. He's a guy that bought that subframe out from under the Nova there. And he's doing a 68 Nova, so y'all ought to go over and check his channel out and get him to make some more videos on it. Kind of help him out a little there. And Darren, been trying to get a hold of you. What I done, I took this stuff off of that car before I got rid of it. And I'm not sure what all you need, so if you would give me a call and let me know. I got that, and then I got the other brackets that go up into the firewall for that, and I just gotta round them up. They in here somewhere. And yep, I need to get back on this grass again. And here's a little Fred in him. Ain't Fred. But I finally did enlarge your pen. So yeah, it's a whole lot bigger now. What you doing, buddy? You want a belly rub? Huh? You want a belly rub? Nah, come on. Let's go see the little babies. I know Mark loves seeing these. Ooh, it feels good in here. Got the old AC kicking in here for him. Oh. But yeah, there they are. Give me silly. Little bitty babies. That's 4 females and 1 male. The white looking one, that one right there, is the male. This has got a lot more white on him. And all the others are females. So. Yeah. What you doing, Fred? Well, y'all got it dustied up in here, huh? Huh? Yep. Need to get in here and clean this thing up. Ooh, I want to leave out of here. shut that light back on. And I had to pull up them posts and all and expanded it. I think that's a 40 by 40 now. Yep. And over there we got the whiskey dime. Quit shaking, Fred. I don't know if you can see them. Let me see if I can zoom on in it. Yeah, there's some of them. It won't be long now, them babies will be ready. Make some of that whiskey down in wine or something. Come on, Fred. You want some wine? Fred. Fred. You want some wine? Huh? You want some wine? But anyway, it's about what's happening. So anyway, I'll put Ashley's and Shane's link down here in the description area. If y'all have any old keys, just get with her and send them to her. So that's about it, and might go in there and try to weld a little more of that up. Get these things all back up, but there you go. That's about 210 keys, I think. Yeah, because I counted them. So, yeah. Okay, check y'all later. Alright guys, give you another little update here. Got some of that welding. Yeah, blow through a couple of spots, but I think that's where I had it ground down so thin with that damn flux wire. Just went straight through it. There. You see right there where that, I had to grind it with that flux. It blew through it. But yeah, I can deal with this now. That's his little booty. But, yep. Got my little spoon back there. I made me some of them out of that copper pipe. But yeah. But there you go. Just wanted to show y'all what it kind of looked like. But yeah, I'm loving it. Like McDonald's. I'm loving it. Yeah. Later.